In the last video, we went to Zumiez and upgraded this complete here with better wheels and better bearings.
Found these in the case and I figured, you know, drag in. Whoa, that's perfect. So we're gonna do that. Sorry, sir, it was an accident. Good. Okay, kind of.
We also got independent trucks that we put the old original wheels and bearings onto. And I didn't get this from Zumiez, but we have a skateboard wall mount. All three of these items are going to be given away officially in today's video, so stay tuned to see who won. Before we find out who the winners are, I want to give you a rundown on my monthly giveaways. If you're new to the channel and you did not know that I do monthly giveaways, well, now you do. There's a few times where I will miss a month because I get incredibly broke from time to time with funding the channel and funding the content that I do, so I apologize for that, but I do my best to try to do monthly giveaways. Literally every single month. I've been pretty good at it. I think I'm on like 15 or 16 or 17, even 16. We're on 16, so next month is 17. Basically what they are is I get skate product that I have personal experience with, that I really enjoy, or just new stuff that I haven't tried before, but anything skate related in general, and I try to give it out to anybody that subscribes to my channel. And the rules are simple. You just have to like, you have to comment, and you have to be subscribed. That's pretty much the easiest way to enter any giveaway, but the reason I do this is because I want to get more people into skating, and the skate industry is becoming pretty expensive. I don't know if anybody's checked the prices lately, but it's gotten pretty expensive thanks to COVID, thanks to inflation, thanks to a whole bunch of things, and I don't see the prices coming down anytime soon. So that's basically what I do here on my channel. Obviously, you can watch the rest of my content where I make custom boards. I just have fun doing random things, car stuff, gaming, traveling, whole bunch of stuff. The whole purpose here is to get more people into skating. That's my goal for these monthly giveaways. Now that being said, my computer is finally loaded so we can figure out who the monthly giveaway winners are. I think first up, we'll figure out who won the skateboard wall hanger. So let's go to the video where I talk about that, which is the last video actually. So this is exactly how I do every single monthly giveaway. I wanna make sure that you guys know that it is all 100% fair. And I'm basically going to do from all comments, and I'm gonna pick a winner. All right, well, the first winner is Juan Hernandez, and he says, fun video, really enjoyed watching. And thank you, I really appreciate that. I'm glad you enjoyed it. A lot of you actually really enjoyed that video, which makes me feel really good because I put a lot of effort into that video, and usually my content is like 9 or 10, and it's really bad for some reason. And that one's 1 out of 10 on my little YouTube ranking, so that means a lot. Thank you guys so much for watching it. It's really amazing to see all the feedback and the comments on that video, and I had a lot of fun making it. So thank you to everybody who enjoyed that. But congratulations to Juan Hernandez. You're getting the skateboard wall mount. Now let's figure out who is getting the trucks. And for this one, we're going to go to the original giveaway video. The original video that we're going to select the winner from is the monthly giveaway 16, and we're going to do the same thing about just picking a winner. And then again, choose from all comments. This one says, I think it's so cool you do giveaways. What is a good deck company for a beginner? The deck company for a beginner, there's not really like a set deck that you should get. What I would do personally, especially with prices right now and how they are changing, I would get a deck that's $29 to $40 and a design that you like. That's the easiest thing to do. Your local skate shop should have some around that price. If you don't have local, you can shop online or you can shop at Zumiez. I have decks that are for sale on my website. Typically they start off around $45 to $50, and that's just because they're all custom. But I'm debating on trying to do just kind of like shop blank Keegan Co decks for around $30, $35, just to help people out and get them into skating. Because again, prices are going up and it's getting almost impossible to get a deck for that cheap. But that's what I would recommend, is just something basic. You don't need anything crazy right off the bat. Once you get experienced, then you can start playing with actual name brands. But I would just go with something that's got a decent shape, probably an 8 or an 825. In fact, I've got these two still for sale. This one I could actually sell for $35. It's just an 8.5. This one is an 8.0, and this one I think is $45. So I've got a couple on my website that you can view, or I can make you a custom one, just again, That's what I would do, just something cheap and generic that you like. Again, congratulations to IDK_man. I think I've actually seen you comment a lot on my videos, especially recently. So congratulations to you again. And now really all you need is a deck because, well, you're getting trucks and wheels and bearings. So that's cool. Now it's time to pick the winner for this complete here. Last time we did this, Barack Obama won and then never responded. So hopefully this person responds. We're gonna do the same video, and again, we're just gonna do the exact same thing about picking a winner. All right, this one looks like it's Shark0_44, and it says light blue flame wheels. Well, I did not do light blue flame wheels. I did dragon wheels that look really cool, and it's not gonna focus on it, but you know, it doesn't matter because these were in the other video. So make sure you go check that out as well so you can see exactly what we got. But it does have the big ball bearings, which are, I would say, pretty darn good if I don't say so myself. Again, congratulations to Shark0_44. I'll make sure that I reach out to all three of you individually in the next few minutes so we can try to send out all these as soon as possible. Don't forget to respond in a timely manner because if you wait too long, we'll have to pick somebody else or we'll postpone the giveaway until next month. And like, for example, if you didn't accept the trucks, well, next month this could be an item for that. Basically, that's what happened with the Dragon Ball Z board. Barack Obama clearly didn't want it. He doesn't skate, so I guess it makes sense. And now one of you lucky guys is gonna get it, so there you go. Looks like that brings us to the end of today's video, so thank you guys so much for watching. Like literally, if it wasn't for y'all, I wouldn't be able to do these monthly giveaways, so thank you to every single one of you. It really means a lot that you're coming back to support the channel, and I'm really grateful that I'm able to do these monthly giveaways to try to get more people into skating. I apologize to those that did win, but stay tuned for next month and let me know what we should do for next month because I have no clue. I'm thinking about creating a life-size tech deck, which is literally just a skateboard, but I feel like it'd make for funny content. So let me know what you want to see for the next month. Again, well, that's it. So make sure you go down below and subscribe and comment and like because that's how you enter the giveaways and it helps out. So anyway, I'll see you guys on the next one. Stay awesome. Later.